In a demonstration of Boyle's law, we'll place a balloon in a vacuum bell jar. We'll apply a vacuum which basically pumps out the air in the bell jar. The pressure outside the balloon will be greater than the pressure inside. The balloon expands to try and equalize the pressure. Volume and pressure are inversely related to each other. When we release the vacuum, the pressure increases and the volume decreases. As another demonstration of Boyle's law, we will put a marshmallow peep into our vacuum jar. The marshmallow contains air trapped in a mixture of gelatin and sugar. As we apply the vacuum, the pressure outside is lower than the pressure inside. The air in the peep will expand to try and equalize the pressure. When we release the vacuum, the pressure increases and the volume decreases. As another illustration of Boyle's law, we will put some shaving cream into our vacuum jar. The shaving cream contains air trapped in a soap mixture. As we apply a vacuum, the pressure outside is lower than the pressure inside. The shaving cream will expand to try and equalize the pressure. As you decrease the pressure, the volume increases.